Hello, this video is regarding BetelLeaf. We know it as a paan, a well-known delicacy all over the country and for its traditional uses. So we decided to plant BetelLeaf at home. It is extremely difficult to come across BetelLeaf seeds. So we have two ways to plant BetelLeaf. Either you purchase the plant from local nursery or propagate it from cuttings. So we got some cuttings. To propagate the cuttings, we cut the stem with sharp knife and remove all the leaves of the stem except for the top two. Then soak the stem in water where 2 nodes should be in the water. Then put it in indirect sunlight and you must change the water in every couple of days. I have kept these cuttings for 1 month. Now many roots have appeared. Once the roots appear, you can plant it in a deep pot or in the ground. Soil requirement. BetelLeaf plant requires an acidic, sandy and slightly damp soil. Make sure that you create drainage holes in your pot to keep the soil well drained. Fertilizers. BetelLeaf plant will be more than happy just with a regular compost or a cow dung manure. Water and sunlight requirements. It requires partial sunlight and provide it enough water, but don't overwater, else it will rot. Within 3 to 4 months after planting, it will be ready for harvest. A regular pruning and plucking of leaves will encourage new growth. Okay then, that's it for today. You also plant BetelLeaf and enjoy sweet paan at home. Thank you for watching.